A little limit questioning. So immediately you see that we have the sum of squares in the bottom, which it speaks to us, the two polars. It speaks to us. So what we'll do is we'll just do our polar substitution because we see we have the sum of squares. So we'll make x equal to r cosine theta, and y will just be r sine theta. And we know that if we take the sum of squares of those, we just get r squared. So instead of the limit as x, y go to 0, we'll have the limit as the radius of the circle closes in on the origin, 0, 0. So we'll have the limit as r goes to 0, and we'll replace x and y with their polar expressions. So x will be r cosine theta, and y will be r sine theta. And then in the bottom, we'll have the square root of x squared plus y squared, which is r squared. So if you take the square root, you just get r. And yeah, you'll see that one of the r's will cancel. Everyone sees one of the r's cancels. So as a result, this is just the limit as r goes to 0 of r cosine theta sine theta. And we have this expression here. That is, the absolute value of that is bounded by 1. So that means that that limit will just go to 0 because we'll have r times a number whose absolute value is bounded above by 1. So it'll essentially be equal to the limit as r goes to 0 of r, which is pretty simple. That'll just be 0. So in the end, we get 0, so that would be b.